Getting kids to help in the kitchen is one of the best ways to get them interested in healthier foods. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a healthier version of Hawaiian pizza. This dish is easy to prepare and is a great way to involve your kids in the kitchen. To make this dish, you will need 2 whole wheat tortillas, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, half a teaspoon Italian seasoning, 2 slices ham chopped, 1/4 cup diced pineapple, and 2 tablespoons mozzarella cheese shredded. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Pierce tortillas with a knife and place on a baking sheet. Bake for 2 minutes until crisp. Spread tomato paste evenly on both tortillas. Sprinkle with Italian seasoning. Add a layer of ham and pineapple. Sprinkle with mozzarella cheese. Bake for 5 minutes or until cheese has melted. To make this into a complete meal, I'm going to serve my Hawaiian pizza with a side salad, apple slices, and a glass of 1% low-fat milk. Hawaiian pizza. It's easy, it's healthy, and most of all, it's delicious!